My name is Mike Sullivan. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. Thank you for visiting me today. My videos are short because no one's going to listen to me after 5 minutes. Anyway, I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor with IRS. I worked over 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on my staff. I have most of you have joined me because you've seen me on the news, and if you have not, you can go ahead and look at my website. You'll see all my TV interviews along with my cast of character staff. We've been doing this IRS work, if we add up our time, probably over 250 years. We call it a prison working at IRS. So anyway, by the way, you should subscribe to my channel. I give you really good information about the Internal Revenue Service. And today what I'm going to talk to you about is the federal tax lien. I used to file federal tax liens for the IRS. A matter of fact, I have signed so many tax liens. I actually changed my signature at IRS. I used to write out Michael D. Sullivan, and now I just sign an S. I probably in a given day signed hundreds of federal tax liens. At the time I worked there, they weren't computer generated. We had to go ahead and file those ourselves, and they would be all piled up, and I tell you, it was a pain in the ass to file the liens. But just let me tell you something really quick. I want you to know that your federal tax lien will not be on your credit report. It's just not. There's a Fair Credit Reporting Act that came out years ago, and basically Title VI of that act, the Consumer Credit Protection Act, went ahead and they said that the Internal Revenue Service does not have enough information because they don't want to give information that the outside world shouldn't have about you. They want to protect you, and therefore there's information on there that IRS does not give the credit bureaus, and as a result, you're not going to find that on your credit report, so you're safe. Where you will find it, however, is on your courthouse. If you want to know if the IRS has filed a federal tax lien on you, you just got to go ahead to your courthouse in which your homestead is, or if you filed, say, a 2022 return and IRS, filed the lien, you're going to find that where that where your homestead or where you lived at that year. That's where IRS files your federal tax lien. Anyway, I hope this information was good. If you give me a subscription, I do tell you cool stuff at IRS. I'd appreciate it, and thank you for listening today.